Hi, I'm Arturo, a product specialist at Jarvis Lighting. I'm going to show you how to install a Jarvis Link PIR sensor into one of our JLP-SL panel lights. First, we're going to remove this cover plate right here using a flathead screwdriver, small enough to fit in between the lens and the cover. Then, you remove the sensor cap. You're going to take your sensor and install it on the quick connect. Then once that's installed, you'll go ahead and push it into the knockout until you hear it click. Now you know how quick and easy it can be to upgrade any panel light project with our sensor-ready JLP-SL series panel light. By combining Jarvis Link devices and Jarvis lighting fixtures, you can easily achieve advanced Luminaire level lighting controls with simple implementation, saving you installation time and reducing energy costs. To learn more about Jarvis Lighting and other Jarvis Lighting fixtures, check out our other videos on our channel or visit jarvislighting.com. Thanks for watching.